Hi, my name is Angelo James M. Cumigat, and I am currently pursuing a degree in civil engineering at Liceo de Cagayan University. I have a deep passion for designing and building infrastructures that improves lives and enhances the environment. I am excited to share my journey, skills, and aspirations as I work towards becoming a successful civil engineer. My aspiration is to join renowned organizations such as Larsen and Toubro, where I can work on challenging and innovative projects. Being part of an organization that values sustainability, cutting-edge technology, and quality engineering inspires me to continuously learn and contribute to transformative developments in civil engineering. I am eager to gain hands-on experience through internships at construction firms. I also plan to enhance my skills by completing certifications in tools like AutoCAD, Revit, Primavera P6, and BIM technologies. These experiences will prepare me to tackle real-world engineering challenges with confidence. I am focused on mastering key areas such as structural design, geotechnical engineering, and project management. Beyond technical skills, I am committed to developing qualities like teamwork, leadership, and a strong attention to detail, which are essential for successful project execution. My goal is to combine technical knowledge with creative problem solving to deliver innovative and efficient solutions. My vision as a civil engineering is to contribute to infrastructure that not only meets today's needs but also paves the way for a sustainable future. I am dedicated to continuous growth and making a meaningful impact in the field of civil engineering. Thank you for taking the time to learn about me, and I look forward to the opportunity to contribute to your organizations.